Reduce highness, dear. Your face is too red. Reduce highness, dear. Your face is too red. I'll Google Papa. Who be that person? I'll Google Papa. Are you giving highness? That's not the set person. So all this cold why they shout say all my nose don't red because of cold. Because you're carrying your Olympus hexagonal, gallop sloped looking head. With your destiny, you're going to exchange with 5 naira.
Okay, guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday from here. Guys, without wasting on our time, this update they come from our big brother Niger winner season 7, known as Phyna. I guess you already know her. Now her face when they see from my screen. So anyway, Phyna, now that girl be like say, man, nobody went on no Phyna. When you talk, because if they ever ask Phyna now, waiting be her profession, whether she go say she be hype man or she be actress or she be influencer or she be blogger, we not really know the one when she did. She be comedian, you understand? She did live for her Instagram account, you understand? And I know those Nigeria fans, just be like I did live now. Some people come my comment section, can't drop anything, in room picking, you not get what this, that, na normal. And I know say most people for Nigeria, the moment they don't fit get mobile data for their phone, nothing when they not they write for somebody comment section. She did on her own jeje. And I know say normally we they like to we they quick see bad comment anyway. We know they could talk about the good ones. The moment we cite that bad one. So our fans now come kind of advise her say, make Phyna stop to the high. Say highness not good for her. Whether she not they see her face, it don't finish. So now Phyna they begin the blast. Whether na he or she may not even know because she not even bother to measure the commenter name, whether na boy or na male or female, say na Ogungu Aroya and this, that. Now normal advice she tried to give Phyna before. Una grab. I go replay the full video for now anyway because as me on the talk now anyway, Phyna dey for London. Una grab. As for those of now when they Nigeria, una ti say abroad co na my abroad co if you're not strong, you not feel survivor. They know they see Odogun for co, they know they see big man. You understand? Co no they know adult, you know they know small picking. So for those of now when una just dey Nigeria, they una feel say na so life jobs, na so life rich. You understand? To face this co when would they face for Europe, any part of the world, most especially where co they, not be all those Asia continent, like all those Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, all those side co not the other side. Una grab. So make una they mind the way una take they read the talk. Sometimes I'm coming, guys. Make I just share this live video put for the other of my big page. You understand? Now waiting really just provoke Phyna when make Phyna react that way. I understand that very well. Share the live video, please. If you are here, kindly share the live video. You understand? Share and follow our backup page, guys. This is our backup page. Share and follow. Share and follow our backup page, please. Share for more updates. So, guys, let me just replay the full video for you. Now, advise the person will they try advise Phyna anyway. Phyna just can't take on to another level. Wait till even funny me for inside this video. Say the person they reset it brain. I don't know how to use the
Reduce highness, dear. Your face is too red. Reduce highness, dear. Your face is too red. I'll Google Papa. Who be that person? I'll Google Papa. Are you giving highness? That's not the set person. So all this cold where they shout since say all my nose don't red because of cold. Because you're carrying your Olympus, hexagonal, gallop, sloped looking head. With your destiny, you don't exchange with 5 naira.
Guys, I not go loud. Now that word, now funny me, as in that statement make me laugh. Phyna say they exchange somebody destiny with 5 naira. What an insult. This girl, and she not be worried girl before, because the way she take get Martin, actually will just say they exchange somebody destiny with 5 naira. I don't understand. So guys, make we enjoy this full video together.
You tell me now, say make I reduce highness. Say vape the high person before. And you mean say all this cold where they shout since. So you mean say all this explanation where I don't explain full ground since say now. That's so cold yo. That's so now hit I on for here. That's so my nose down the red. That's so I don't sneeze 10 times. So now you want to tell me say now. Normally I know say devil carry your coat sit down for your brain normally. Now you wanna come and tell me now say now you not hear those things where they talk since. I know say you never go London before. So even with your you say this is what I'm talking about. Now why I talk say which I suppose pain you now say this year get don't first me go London. Now why I talk say allow the pain flow. This particular pain now is not something you should control. In fact, you cannot even control it. Just allow it flow.
So guys, I hope when I watch that full video, Phyna say devil sit down for the commenter head. Oh God, this girl, she not go use laugh take keep people for social media. So devil they sit down on top of somebody head. Share the live video, guys. Share if you are here, you have not been following this my backup page. Please, what are you waiting for? Share, like, and follow this page. Give it a thumbs up and love this video, please. Give it a thumbs up. How many viewers do we have here? Request. So thanks guys for watching. Thanks for coming. I appreciate. I get another update to give us, because live video I know they take for my live video. I did do a brief so that will not join me for live. If you want to watch on the thing not go, you understand, it's better the video they short, so that will be more easy for people to view and to watch. So love everyone guys, and in case you never they follow our YouTube channel Urum Pikin Mock News and Urum Pikin Blog, we get 2 YouTube channel. I beg guys, make una just go there, make una go show una boy love, make una subscribe, put on that notification bell, so that anytime we be like say man we take drop any new update, you will be among the first person when go receive the notification. Love you all guys.